Hi everybody, I'm rohitdharasan J, design thinker of SNS College of Technology. I'm pursuing my BE as biomedical engineering first year in SNS College of Technology. I'm here to describe some ideas about artificial intelligence in healthcare. First, we have to learn that what is artificial intelligence. It is the use of computer to model intelligent behavior with minimal human interference. It means the machines and computers programs are capable of problem solving and learning like human brain. It's the simple definition of artificial intelligence. And natural language processing (NLP) and transition. It consists of three categories: pattern recognition and visual perception and decision making. Machine learning (ML) is one of the most exciting areas for development of computational and approaches to automatically make sense of data. Advantage of machines is can retain information and become smarter over time, and machine is not susceptible to sleep deprivation and distractions, information overload, and short term memory losses, many things. The application of artificial intelligence in medical field has two main branches: a virtual branch and a physical branch. Virtual branch composed of mathematical algorithms and improved learning through experiences. It's also called a deep learning branch. It consists of three types: unsupervised, supervised, and reinforcement learning. Unsupervised is the ability to find patterns, and supervised is classification and prediction of algorithms based on previous examples. Reinforcement learning is the use of sequences of rewards and punishments to form a strategy for operation in a specific problem space. And the second one, physical branch, it includes three objects: physical objects, medical devices, and sophisticated robots. What is sophisticated robots? It is the robot who care for deliveries and carebot, and also called as carebots, and robots for surgeries, using of robots in the surgeries. Use of robots to deliver treatment is the recent trend. Okay, and the benefits of artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is only can used a lot to the physicians, not in the physician guidance. It cannot be used. Clinical decision making, better clinical decisions, and replace human judgment in certain functional areas of healthcare, leg radiology especially, and up to date medical information from journals, textbooks, and clinical practices, and early diagnosis and prediction outcome of the disease, as well as treatment, feedback on treatment, reinforcement, non pharmacological managements, all benefits for artificial intelligence. And next we are going to see is growth of artificial intelligence in healthcare. The growth is increasing individual healthcare expenses, larger geriatric populations, and imbalance between health work and patients, and increasing global healthcare, continuous shortage for nursing and technical staff. The number of vacancies for nurses will be 12 million by 2020. It's the great, and by 2022 it's made to 15 to 16 million. Yeah, and artificial intelligence will help medical practitioners efficiently achieve their task with minimal human intervention, a critical factor in meeting increasing patient demand. Yeah, and the challenges we are facing today by to implant these artificial intelligence in hospitals is to develop cost of development is very high, and integration issues like ethical issues, reluctance among medical practitioners to adopt artificial intelligence, and fear of replacing human hearts and organs. It's the major risk. Data privacy and security, mobile health applications and devices that use artificial intelligence, lack of interoperability, between artificial solutions and data exchanges and state and federal regulations. Rapid and iterative process of software updates commonly used to improve existing products and services. These are the challenges we are facing today to implant these artificial intelligence in healthcare. Innovations by the past 50 years. 1950s and earlier, the artificial kidneys and X-rays are invented to do the surgeries, and in next to 1960s, heart valve replacement, intra-auricular lens, and using of ultrasound to detect the diseases, and vascular grafts and blood analysis and processing. These are in the 1960s, and later 1970s, it come to computer authorized surgeries and artificial hip and knee placements and balloon catheter. So, and endoscopy invented in the 1970s. And in 1980s, magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) was introduced, and laser surgery and vascular grafts and recombinant therapeutics. And now the present day, genomic sequencing and microarrays and positron emission tomography and image guided surgery. These are the updates of artificial intelligence for the past 70 years. And what's the future scenario of healthcare is collaboration between medical and technical institutions, and removal of firewall at clinical load of hope and IPR, and government funding, and current status of medical records is incommunicable of silos of wasted information for the health system and for knowledge acquisition libraries, and then electronic medical or health records, and data needed to be captured in real time and institutions should be saved for future intelligence. These are the future scenarios, and thank you.